If you're from outside the European Union and you're considering living in Portugal long-term, the chances are you've looked into a few visa options. One of those options, the D7 visa, could be ideal for you if you have regular passive income.
The D7 visa, also known as the passive income visa, offers you the opportunity to live in Portugal with your family with legal resident status and all of the rights that includes.
This means that your children could attend public or international schools in Portugal, you'd all have access to the national healthcare system, and you could explore any employment or entrepreneurial opportunities that might interest you.
That could be a particularly appealing prospect because, as well as having a high standard of living with a pleasant climate and plenty of places to explore, Portugal also has a thriving startup scene and a rapidly developing tech sector, opening up many businesses opportunities. With no job requirements and a relatively low income threshold, a D7 visa would give you autonomy in terms of your employment, and you would be able to enjoy financial freedom.
The income threshold you must meet is just 820 euros per month, which is just over $880, and much lower than the 3,280 euros, about $3,530 per month, you'd need for the digital nomad visa. And unlike the Golden Visa program, there's no need for you to invest or donate any of your money to Portugal.
For the D7 visa, the income that you use to meet the threshold must be passive. It can't be derived from any kind of employment or freelance business. Though this is often known as the retirement visa, as many applicants use their pension income to meet this requirement, there are several other income streams that are applicable.
The D7 visa has been around since 2007, but in recent years, it has attracted a new group of applicants: cryptocurrency traders.
As well as pensions and crypto trading dividends, other passive income that you can use in support of your application includes interest from bank deposits, earnings from rental properties, and dividends from stocks and shares.
Other than the income requirement, you'd also need to provide proof that you have enough savings to support you and your accompanying family members for a full year, and an agreement for accommodation for a year, and a clean criminal record.
You should also bear in mind that you wouldn't be able to spend more than 6 consecutive or 8 non-consecutive months outside Portugal in your residency card period.
If this visa sounds like a potential pathway to living in Portugal that you'd like to explore, please feel free to get in touch. At Global Citizen Solutions, a boutique immigration consultancy, we can give you tailored advice based on your unique individual circumstances and objectives. With a team of immigration specialists, we can work with you through each step of the D7 visa process, ensuring your application has the best possible chance of being accepted.